AI will automate many repetitive technical tasks, but the future will still belong to the people who can think critically, solve meaningful problems, communicate ideas, work ethically, and combine technological skill with human understanding.
As academics, and whether you can relate to your own disciplines as industry experts also, is that the artificial intelligence or this digital transformation is here to stay. Whether we like it or not, whether we embrace it or not, it is something which now is going to be the future.
And it is very difficult to sum up all the challenges in just one day, because this is a technology who's changing very rapidly, even more than your thinking process as well. So it is very, very difficult to overcome all these issues, challenges, and new challenges as well.
We need to transform our education system as well. So what I will try to do is I'll try to talk about the kind of changes that we see, and then I'll try to propose something for the academia and see if that is something that we can use.
Technology disrupts, it always has, but it also redeems. Our 6 invited speakers across 2 sessions brought the frontier to life. Dr. Munir Ahmed reminded us that AI must be trustworthy, not just powerful.